What just happened? Okay. Let's collect ourselves. Let's just take it nice and easy. Oh, it's the water type. Okay. Interesting. So that just happened. That is quite a transformation. Can't say I'm disappointed by it. As you can see, things are going not great for the biscuit of the sea. And Smuckers is Zapdos now. I didn't see it coming. I don't think anybody saw it coming. It was, when he broke the news to me, I was in shock. Absolute shock and awe. You know, you might say, terror gripped me. Just like terror's about to grip this fool. I'm guarding the poster. Go away or else. We'll fight. Now. Sure thing, writer. You send out your kangaroo scan. I'll fight it with my sea biscuit. You take in sunlight. I'm gonna convert to your religion. Hopefully it's not something that's super effective. It's not, but it still just about killed me. That's hilarious. Well, he sucks. Seed! Needs some attention. Crab hammer? Thrash. That seems to work. Bloom. We know about you and your type that was... I forget. Well, let's try out a what in the world is that? Kapow! That should be, like, really good now. Twas. We defeated the writer. Dang. Well, our hideout might be discovered. I better tell the boss. Where are you going? Where? How? The man is made out of ghost. Very curious. So y'all can see exactly how worthless Seabiscuit is in a fight. It's not very effective, but it was. So someone mentioned that there was not a switch behind this poster. They lied to me. Push it. Go on. Oh, they did. Okay, you did. Maybe he went down here, but how? Alright. Welcome to the wacky world of Team Rocket, where thunderstones are just lying around to be found. Isn't that right? You broke in here? That's, like, illegal. But, like, what we're doing is illegal. So, do I, like, report you to the police? Or do I just, like, let it go? Seabiscuit grew to level 22. That's the only good thing that came out of that conversation. Marowak, no. And he's dead. Burnt! Quite literally. Burnt. It burns. You burned. I'm burned. Burninated. Burnified. Burneroni and cheese. I know, it's crap, but what are you gonna do? Seabiscuit is trash. But he needs the levels. And I promised his mother that I would look after him after the war. Isn't that right? Man. Who are you? How'd you get here? Through the secret entrance that absolutely no one told me about. That's a nice bra. No match for my jump kick. Articuno. It's ice and flying type, right? So that means... Seed. Beat it down. Ow! Beaten. You know. Beaten. That's what happens when you beat me. I become beaten. I mean, it's not like you physically assaulted me or anything, but, you know. I gotta make it look good on the insurance papers. By the way, what's your policy? Do you have one? If not, life is pain. Boss said you can see ghosts with the slippery scope. Thanks for telling me? Ha! We're not your type. You cannot hurt us. We cannot hurt you. So... Seed! Do something about it! Oh, right. That's not gonna work. That'll do. That'll do all the damage. Unless we don't stop hurting ourselves. Electrode, yes. Speaking of ghosts, man. All this guy's got is ghosts. He's literally made of ghosts. He is the war chief. Primate, I have no idea what you're made of. How is it affecting me? I thought it became the type of the ghost. Dude, stop with the stopping of the thing. Ugh. It's one of those. I can't stand them. Right, Seed? You know, you and me, we are just too good. You're trying to learn Bubble Beam? Yeah, we're not banned learning Bubble Beam. That's a trash move for trash people who like to live in the trash. We're way too good for you, Ryder. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. What might you do? We're gonna heal because it's such a quick hop, skip, and a jump away. Literally, it's cheating. Literally, I shouldn't be able to do this. Quite literally, it's lit. Alright. So this goes that way, goes that way, goes there, and then there. Okay. Then we go this, to that, that. Ooh, that would make me dizzy, son. Look at all the items there are to get. Also, what a weird way to get around your base. We found the Max Elixir. Finally. After all these years. The Max Elixir is mine. As is the Super Potion. I don't know if that was... we'll call that worth it. But TMO2, didn't we already have you? Weren't you a useless thing? That contained Absorb? Yeah. No. Come on. We go there. And that stops there. And the buck stops here. Right? You want to end up... we want to end up there. So we can go here. So we can go... here. Yes. And from there, we want to take the top. I'm figuring out your crazy contraption. Be afraid. Send me through the spin cycle, baby. I don't know if we can make use of this. I'm not even gonna try. I'm even gonna try. I'm gonna go up the steps into the giant desk room of death. Why did you come? I don't know. It was time. Polyrath? I don't know what type you are. I guess it's just a battle of attrition between two stand-up guys. See this could be level 23, about to use Gollum. The precious. And we're dead. Seed. Gloriousness is yours for the taking if you stop missing. Every move. Ryder's about to use Primate. We've already seen you in action. We know what you're about. Ryder's about to use Mold to race. Holy Lord. Yes, the flaming bird used the hydro pump. But it didn't matter, because we defeated the Rider. This won't do. Do the do. Got that right, bro. Very effective. Sand Slash. I have no desire to tussle with you anymore. Rattata. Like sending a mosquito to fight a fly swatter. It's just not gonna work, you jerk. And here we find the elixir. We already found the max elixir earlier. I'm so confused. Let's go to... appears to need a key. Of course it does. That must be downstairs. The good news is, we can go do my favorite side activity, which is to go and heal. It's literally the only reason I get out of bed in the morning. Wake up, go heal. Go back to the game corner, go heal. Turn heal, heal turn. That's my middle name, heal turn around. Alright, so if we go this direction, we'll find an empty hallway. This is what we're really after. Got the item. Was it an antidote? I couldn't tell. That's fine. We just wanted to grab that. To nab it quick. Now we back out of this. If we go straight, it's bad news. But if we go to this one. Oh, I figured you out, Rocket Man. Burning down a fist of head alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Rick Gasly is correct. I'm saying that giving you up is not in my agenda. I don't know what type Aerodactyl is, but it unleashed its energy upon me. Seed, deliver us from Satan. Oof! Taken down in an earlier round. I wish I would have gone down swinging. Oh Lord, how I wish I would have gone down swinging. What's over here in this corner? We found the TM41. Don't we have that as well? Fury swipes. Ugh. A la bugala. I'm not even interested, dude. The elevator doesn't work? Who has the lift key? I wonder, could it possibly be me? I bet you didn't know you were talking to a rap god. That's okay. Not many people realize. Ew. Your seed is too strong. Everyone, it doesn't affect Pikachu, because Pikachu's a ghost. The Crabhammer does. No! no! I dropped the lift key. No more room for items. Well, ain't that about a bitch. Let's use the super potion on nobody needs it. Let's use the elixir on Seed to restore his PP. Hey, mine goes away. It's an item on a table. It must be double important. I was wrong. Very wrong. Who has the lift key? It was me. What a jerk off. I gotta go through this hell again. Say it ain't so. Whoa, whoa! Your love is a heartbreaker. Get out, I want you. Look at that. I aced it. Let's go to B4F. No more room for items. What is taking up so much room? It's probably this stupid TMO5 that contains Supersonic. Seabiscuit will learn Supersonic. After we get rid of Egg Bomb. Found a Pokey Doll? Really? Really? I know you! You ruined my pants! When you made me poop them. Go, Lapras. That's fine. That's just fine. Because Seed? Seed knows how the game is played. Seabiscuit's dead. Keep forgetting. Stop hurting yourself, Seed. Clean up the kill. Gengar. The ghost is strong with this one. But it doesn't matter because he's dead. Burned again! Oh! Seed is a... Whoa! What? Wow. You sure sprouted, Seed. Proud of you, man. We came... That was my head hitting the table. The water type. If I'm not mistaken, that's exactly what you are. Please tell me why everything's against me. I don't know. We can roll with it for now, I guess. How can you not see the beauty in my face? My mommy can. I bet you can. Hidorino. Go, Seed. Probably use the super potion. Ha! Maybe in a different universe that would have worked, but not anymore. I've turned my weakness to fire into a watery I don't know where I was going with that. I am a bandito frito. Oh my lord, it is the boss. I don't know if we're ready. To be honest, I don't want to be ready. Aren't you a lost little rat? No? I'm just trying to go heal. You don't gotta make it so difficult. That's what I do. Difficulty's my middle name. They call me Writer Difficulty Rocket. Well, that'll work. You made my life so easy. This is my first resort. Well, Seed evolved. I thought it wasn't going to be till 36, but I guess I was wrong. It has become 32. And he turned into Poliwrath. So, suddenly, things have gone from bad to very bad to good, to bad, to let's beat up on the boss. So, I must say I am impressed. Let's fight to the death. Oof. Marshall wants to fight. No. No, why do you have this? The bane of my existence. You don't even get a chance. Little rice? It's dead. Marshall's about to use match up. Do we match up against match up? I don't know. Seed. Marshall's about to use Clef Abel, huh? Well. See what Smuckers has to say about that. Oh, so sweet. What? This cannot be. I absolutely got my face beaten in. Here, take some money. You raise your Pokemon with utmost care, but you're childlike, and you never understand. I want to be rich. Bitch. Take this item that I pooped out of my pants. It's the Silpy Scope. My goons are just going to stick around, because that's what I pay them to do. Because they're goons. I can't believe it. Our little hideout was not only discovered, but then disbanded, and then everybody stayed behind, and they will now starve to death because I'm not there to pay the bills and pay for food. The life of a boss. Well, I'm genuinely confused. Let's see who's better. Seed. Slow as balls. You know, there's nothing saying I can't keep them both. Just because they're both water type? I mean, come on. Where is it in the rules? Where is it in the rules? I don't see anywhere in the book of the rules that says I can't have as many birds as I damn well please. And I don't see also where it says I can't have all the watery types. Maybe I want all the watery types. Maybe I like water. Maybe I'm thirsty. Like this guy. He's probably thirsty. Whoa, boy. I'm parched. Can I have this drink? Gee, thanks. I'm going to share this with all three of my other mate friends, even though I just drank half of it in 7,000 years. Holy bajolies, Batman. We made it to Safuron City. What do you want? Get lost. Take me back, sweetie, please. I never meant it. There's the gym, and there's the gym. Get out of the way. I'm just standing here, but get out of the way anyway. Fine. But don't say that I wasn't a friend. A lot of these houses have no doors. This place, also known as Mr. Psychic's house, does have a door. Did you know I was going to be here? Wait. Don't say a word. You wanted this. TM29. It's haze. If I'm not mistaken, if you're going to try and be psychic, you don't want to be in a haze. I'd call me crazy, because I am. What's this? Trainer tips. Great balls of fire. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm a security guard. Suspicious kids I don't allow in. Fine. Jerkosaurus Rex. I suppose in the next episode... Hoo-ha! You're trespassing in our dojo. Get him, Tenjo. Level 31. Level 31. Okay. Level 31. They're level 31s. Oof. I don't think we're ready for this. Honest to goodness. But hey, would it be me if I wasn't ahead of where I'm supposed to be? No, it wouldn't. So until next time, we'll be back on time. Isn't that right, Grandpa? What? What did you say? I'm attracted to Team Rocket. They're very sexy men. I hope they do a calendar shoot soon, because I would buy it. I would pay all the money for it. Yep, so this is me working my way back to where I'm supposed to be, and here it is! Oh my lord! Here we are! I'm gonna save it right here, because, I need a break. Peace out, Girl Scout.